Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Spell Engine. Today we're working on a Yard Machines by MTD. It's a 21-inch side discharge / mulch push mower with the power mower 140cc engine on it. The reason they brought it in, they were mowing and mowing, and they wanted to clean out the deck. So they told me what happened. They lay it over on this side over here. And you don't want to do that because all the oil in the motor went on the air filter. Now it's acted like it's on choke all the time. But if you want to clean out the bottom of your push mower, either lay it on the opposite side of the carburetor, or the best way is to go like this and have someone hold the handlebars or something like that. You never want to lay it on the side of the carburetor because all the oil and stuff will go in there. So we'll clean the carburetor up and put new filters and everything in there. So hope you enjoy the video. If you just turn these and unlock them, you can see all the oil in the bottom there. And this is just drenched. It's all oil. So when that air filter gets out full of oil and stuff, it's restricting the airflow, so it's acting like the choke is on. These are 10mm nuts. I need to clean the outside of that carburetor off too, so it don't restrict the goer. But see, look at all that oil inside the carburetor and stuff. Take the plug out too. It's probably gonna need a new plug. Actually, it wasn't burning too bad. You can tell a little black from it running a little bit with the air filter all full of oil, but not bad at all. I have a new plug. We're going to gap it to about 30 thousandths. Make sure that's nice and snug. And pop it on until it clicks. They just had the oil change this spring, but it might be low. And it's just barely on the crosshatch on the dipstick. So let's put a little bit of 1030 in there. The oil's clean, it's just a little bit low when they laid it on its side there. Okay, grab some paper towels. We're going to clean off the outside of that carburetor and stuff. After they did that, they got scared. They thought they ruined the motor because oil was dropping all over the deck. And I go, well, did you lean it over? And they said, well, yeah, we cleaned the deck. I said, well, that's what happened. Pull this primer line off here real quick. That oil is like a magnet to all the grass and dirt and everything. So that's why I'm cleaning this off. Get all the oil and stuff out of here so don't get that new air filter all dirty. Clean this base plate off, blow it off real good. Helps take all that oil off. And hook our primer line back up. Let's hook up that vent tube in the back. And a new filter. I get these from Rotary. I'm going to spray a little bit of their filter oil on there. Not like that crankcase oil we have on there now. Just takes a little bit. I like using the K&N stuff. All you gotta do is spray a little bit around it and just roll it around your palms of your hands. There we go. It's a lot better than that. Well, let me get it off the table here. It might smoke a little bit at first. Might be some oil in the cylinder and stuff. How much oil came out there. Okay, let's push the primer bulb. It might smoke for a little bit. I don't know. All that oil that was in there. A little poof of smoke come out of there. Okay, like I said, there was a little bit of oil in there and probably some oil in the muffler, but it quit doing that. Seems to run really good, so if you have this problem, hope this helps you out. Appreciate you watching my videos. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. You guys have a good afternoon.